Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session. This video is about flowchart. Prior to this, we were discussed about what is an algorithm and its characteristics we were discussed. So this video mainly to know and to learn about flowchart. So what is flowchart? Flowchart is a pictorial representation. Flowchart is a pictorial representation or symbolic representation of an algorithm. Usually, we'll be writing simple algorithms, right? Now, look at a simple algorithm. Now, look at the algorithm. So, this is what. And this algorithm to display a hello message. This algorithm to display a hello message. Now, this is represented in step-by-step procedure. This is represented in step-by-step procedure that we are beginning the algorithm or starting the algorithm. Now simply we are printing the message. Then we are ending this algorithm. Now if I wanted to represent this algorithm in pictorial representation or in graphical representation, so I should take the help of flowchart. So flowchart is made especially to represent the algorithm in pictorial representation. Now look at the symbols what are useful to make pictorial representation of an algorithm. These are the symbols of flowchart, and this is rectangle which is made to process the data, and this symbol will be writing to write process to process the data, and this is parallelogram which is for input and output. So if I wanted to read two values, then I'll take this. If I wanted to display the result of any variable, I'll take this symbol. Okay, input and output, indicating the process of input and output data. And this is decision box. This is decision box, a decision symbol, and this indicates a question or a condition which declares has to be made, and the symbol is made to write a question or a decision or a condition. Now this is connector. Connector means we'll be linking two different flowcharts together, and this is for predefined process. And this is oval shape or oval symbol which indicates terminal to start flowchart and to end flowchart. And these are flow lines to represent the flow of data from one step to the other step. So these are what the symbols of flowchart. Now look at some example. Now this is a simple flowchart for the same question which is displaying hello message. Now the algorithm is what? This is the problem, displaying hello message. Now we are starting, printing, stop. Now start and stop, I told you to use what symbol? Terminal symbol, oval shape. So we'll use oval shape for start and stop. And this is what? This input, this is output message. Hello is we are printing as output. So now what symbol we have to take for input and output? This symbol we have to take, right? So this flowchart requires terminal shape and parallelogram. As the hello message is output message, I am taking output symbol. So look at the other example, and this example is to write algorithm and draw flowchart and to perform addition of two integers. So for this, what algorithm we are going to consider is efficient algorithm we have to write. Of course, there are many steps what can be considered, but these are the steps what are unique, what are unambiguity steps, right? Now starting, we are declaring two variables with the data type, and we are reading the numbers, and we are adding together, we are adding and we are placing into the other variable, and we are printing the result, right? No step is ambiguous. Every step is having definition. Every step is having a purpose of doing it. No replication. Now look at the flow chart. Simply we are applying the symbol on it. The first symbol is terminal. The second symbol is to give your input, right? So we'll be giving this symbol, and this is for initialization, or this is for declaration. So we'll take process, we are processing it, and we are taking input, again we are processing it, again we are displaying the output, and terminal. Look at the symbols. If you can write the algorithm, it will be very easy you to draw the flowchart. So this is what flowchart. What is flowchart? Pictorial representation of an algorithm. Symbols of flowchart. Examples of flowchart. So in the next video, we'll be going to see about what is program and how we can write a normal C program. Thank you all.